I can charge this from 0 to 100% in 15 minutes.
I want you to join me in this video as I visit Nashville, Tennessee STAFDA conference to check out the latest commercial residential tools available on the market. I wanted to stop at Flex to be able to talk to them. It is probably some of the best gear that I've used.
Hey everybody, I'm Mike Serene with Flex Power Tools. We're excited to have you guys here with us today. This is our new line of impact wrenches. Again, game-changing technology like all of these Flex tools that you see up on the wall here. We have a full line now in impacts that, again, differentiate us from the competition. You look here, here's a 3/8 inch compact unit. We also have it in the 1/2 inch unit. Again, very comparable. When you look at the size and the compactness of these, the next line that we've just updated in our Generation 2 are our high torque impact wrenches. Over 1,600 foot-pounds of torque on these units. These things have the power to do just about anything. We have a 1/2 inch version and we have a 3/4 inch version. When you look at these units, they're beefy. They truly show what a professional power tool can do in the marketplace. We're excited about these. Our new line of Flex nailers and staplers that we've just come out with. This again is game-changing technology, y'all. We're excited about this. But where we start with is we have two framing nailers. We have the 20 degree and the 30 degree. Moving on down, we'll go into some of our finishing nailers. Obviously the biggest part of the category is an 18 gauge. So we have an 18 gauge finish nailer. This unit will fire 2,400 nails on a single charge of a 2.5 amp hour battery. This is another new addition as of just a couple weeks ago. This is our pin nailer, 23 gauge pinner. This was a much asked for in the marketplace unit, and now we finally got them in stock in our facilities. We'll go into a 3/8 inch, what most people would call a T50 stapler. Again, a brand new addition to the marketplace. A lot of demand out already for this unit. And then going to the other side here, you'll see we have a 15 gauge angled nailer. And then in the 16 gauge market, we go into a straight and an angled unit. So we have a fairly full line. Again, we're looking at some others launching here over the next 6 months to really build this line out. So let's get after it. We're gonna start here with our 3/8 inch stapler. You'll see very light, compact unit. Performance on this is phenomenal. We're firing into some very wet wood right here, and if you look at it, very flush fasten. Step up here, we'll go into our 16 gauge. Again, our power on, power off is right here. We have 2 modes of operation on this unit. We have single shot and bump shot. So we'll go into bump shot here, and let's see the performance on this. Last but not least, we'll get into the big guns here. This is our 30 degree framing nailer. So if you look at this guy, same modes of operation. My power on is right here. I got single shot and bump shot. We'll go into bump shot here, and let's fire this big gun. All right, y'all, now what we want to talk about is our battery technology. This is the special sauce that Flex has that really differentiates us from the competition. So we have 2 lines of batteries here. We have our standard cylindrical cell lithium ion technology, which is best in class at this moment. And then the thing we came out with about a year ago is our stacked lithium technology. This is game changing. You can deliver in our stacked lithium, our brand new edition, 2 amp hour pack. You can deliver 960 watts out of this battery. So what does that mean? When I look at our 5 amp hour cylindrical cell battery, these are equal power out. That's cool stuff, because when you look at the size difference, I'm shrinking the package and getting the same amount of output in it. The other cool thing with stacked lithium is, again, is if you look up here, you're getting 200% more power out of stacked lithium, and a really important thing that you're getting out of it is 100% faster charging. So to put that charging into perspective, if I look at my 3.5 amp hour stacked lithium battery, I can charge this from 0 to 100% in 15 minutes. That's pretty cool. You will not run this down in most general applications in under 15 minutes. So if I have a battery charging, I got countless runtime. In our stacked lithium, we offer 4 packs. We offer the brand new 2 amp hour. We go into our 3.5, which I just discussed. We have a 6 amp hour, and then we have a 10 amp hour. So we cover the full gauntlet depending on the application in stacked lithium. And then in our cylindrical cell batteries, we have a 2.5, a 5, an 8, and a 12. All of these batteries are compatible with any flex tool. You can run a 2 amp hour on a table saw, or you can run a 10 amp hour on an oscillating tool.
So my name's Chris Metcalf. I'm with Flex Power Tools. I specialize in our automotive division. We just launched 3 new car polishers to the market, which is really exciting. And if you don't know Flex, you know, in the car polishing area, Flex is one of the leading products. So our car polishers, we have 3 different models. This is our rotary polisher. It's going to give you a very smooth and quiet running rotary polisher. We also have what Flex is really well known for, which is our gear driven product. This is an 8mm, so it actually, let me change this battery real quick. And I'll show you on camera what this does. So if you watch, you can actually see the motion that it's making. It's a little bit of an orbital motion, but because it's gear driven, you can't actually stop the pad from moving on the paint, which gives you a great finish. And our last product, which is more commonly known in the market as free spinning Orbital. This is a 15mm throw. It's going to give you that final finish whenever you're doing polishing on a car, and one of our #1 selling products.